Question: could the past life memories of children be frauds orchestrated by their parents? Answer: yes, it's possible, but again, not in all cases. If we consider that the recollections, recognitions, behaviors, and birthmarks and birth defects, how could the parents possibly bring about precisely correlating birthmarks and birth defects on their children? That is beyond the scope of any hoax. And along with that, if we consider many cases, what do the parents stand to gain? The parents often don't claim that their children was somebody famous, or the child was somebody wealthy, and they don't get any monetary benefit or any celebrity status from that. If some people claim that their child was a celebrity in their previous life, researchers treat such cases as skepticism, and they are not what Ian Stevenson and researchers following him investigated. And while interviewing the subjects, the parents and other relatives, Stevenson followed a policy of never giving any money to the subjects, so that the lure for money would not make them make their accounts more dramatic or artificially inflated. Along with that, even if the parents believe in reincarnation, most of these parents live in rural settings where almost everybody believes in reincarnation. So they don't have to prove their belief to anyone. And on to the other hand, actually many children, many parents want to suppress the belief, recollections of the children, because they have a superstition that if a child recollects a past life, that means the child is going to die soon, because the child is not integrated into this body sufficiently. And that's why the disconnection of the child from this body will result in the child's death soon. So they try to suppress the memory, not create or inflate it. And most importantly, there are cases when the child behaves in ways that are embarrassing to the parents. For example, there was a boy in North India, Isbir Singh, who was born in a Jat family. And when he was barely 2 or more, he started speaking the first few words. And one day he told his parents, I am a Brahmin and I will not eat the food cooked in this low-class house. And he refused to eat food. And his father had to, for several months, arrange food to be cooked in a Brahmin's house and brought to him for eating. Now, what parent would create an embarrassing hoax where he has to tell the world that my son is refusing to eat the food cooked in my own house? So there is nothing to gain for the parents in creating a hoax, and there is much trouble, there is no motivation, and especially with respect to birthmarks and birth defects, there is no possibility of creating that evidence. That's why parental hoax hypothesis does not explain away the evidence of the past life memories. Thank you. Hare Krishna.